Okay, so this will be a quick guide on how I use Pygame to, make games. The first step is to install Pygame, and of course I'm assuming that you have a Python interpreter, that you have Pygame installed already. So import Pygame, and next I define a window length. You can pick any variable name, but I just choose window length since, well, it makes sense. I usually specify like 1,000, and then window height, I write usually 600 or so. If I write like 800 or something or 1,000, it gets too big vertically, and it doesn't look nice. Next, I put the dimensions as a tuple, and I pass in their window length and window height. Next, you can do pygame dot window is equal to pygame dot display dot set mode, and I pass in the dimensions. And what I'm doing is this here is going to set the dimensions of the window. So the screen for the game is going to set the dimensions, and then it's going to return a window object. I'm going to store that into a window variable. If you don't know what that means, don't worry, I'll show you later. Next, I write main is equal to true, and while main, so while main is true, which it is, we're going to enter this while loop. And this while loop is where everything for the game is going to happen. Next, I write for event in pygame.event.get, and what this is going to do is going to loop through all the events in the game. So let's say I were to left click or type something or press the C key, it would detect that. It's basically listening for events. And the one I want to listen to first is event.type is equal to pygame.quit. And what that is if I were to click, so once the window pops up, once I click the top right X button, what will happen is I'm going to set main to false, which will exit this while loop, and then I'm going to do at the end pygame.quit. I mean, you could just put pygame.quit in here too, but I just like doing it this way. And yeah, that's it. So let's run this. And there you go. It's 1,000 by 600. It's got nothing on it since there's nothing in this while loop. And if I were to click this X right here, we exit the game. So that's it for the first guide. I'm going to have more stuff coming out like characters and putting images onto the screen and menus and stuff and listening for events. For all the games that I've made, I've always done this exact setup. Every time I make a game, I always follow this exact setup since, well, it just works for me. And you kind of have to do it to set up a game. You need to have a main while loop. You kind of need to listen for events. You need to specify window dimensions. So I wanted this video to be first since you can't do any of the other stuff without having this first. Alright? Alright, thanks for watching.